Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to record a screen in Microsoft PowerPoint. So to record a screen while using PowerPoint, you have to click on Insert, and then in the last you can see there's a group for media. Now the last option you can see there's an option for screen recording. Just click on that, and now just after clicking, this box will appear on the top of your screen where you can record, select the area, or you can mute the audio, or you can capture the pointer, or if you don't want to capture the pointer, then you can unselect that and this will be not captured. So for example, if I turn on everything and if I just click on record, then this countdown will start. Now whatever I'm doing stuffs in my screen, it is actually recording. Now to stop the recording, again remove your cursor on the top of the screen. Now here again you will have this box. Now here you can stop or pause. I'll click on stop recording. Now just after clicking on stop recording, your PowerPoint window will appear and automatically that video will be fetched, and this will be saved in your the slide. Now it will behave like a normal video. Now you can adjust the size from here, you can move it, and you can do all the editings that you do with the videos. You can edit the videos format, you can give a style, video style, you can add effects, you can add borders, and you can add shapes also. Meanwhile, you can add some sounds here, you can add some sound effect also. Also you can fade in and fade out with the audio within in the video, and also you can trim the video from here. So this way guys, you can record a screen in Microsoft PowerPoint. That's all for today. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.